Hello munchkins, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. So I was wondering, now that a total lockdown has been declared, what are your plans? What are you guys doing at home? Are you guys just gonna Netflix and chill, or maybe learn how to cook, how to knit, or spend time with your family? Or if you guys are gonna text your ex, maybe. I am actually enjoying this time staying indoors, spending time with my family and all that. And also today is 22nd March and we had that thali thing at 5 o'clock, and that was so cool. I saw so many people doing that, which I did not expect, honestly. And this is once in a lifetime moment. We are going to literally tell our kids about this. That is so cool, and yeah, I'm so happy to be a part of it. Anyways, that was totally off topic. Let's start by talking about today's video. Today's video is highly requested, no kidding at all. I don't know what took me so long to film this video, but here it is finally. Today's video is all about my top favorite nude lipsticks. I'll be covering liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, lip liners. I have affordable lipsticks and high-end lipsticks, and I'll also be swatching them on my lips, so stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let's get started. So today I have 13 nude lipsticks to share with you all, excluding lip liners, and you heard me right, 13. I love nude lipsticks. I just cannot do without nude lipsticks, and it's just my vibe, my style. I just love how it complements my skin tone. I just love how it balances out any look. And yes, before I start talking about these lipsticks, I just wanted to quickly mention my foundation shade. So I am in C42 in matte, and in the Maybelline Fit Me range I am 332, just in case you want to know. I'm going to start off by talking about lip liners. A lip liner is a must. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to have a nude lip liner like this. If you have dark pigmented lips, or if you have a lipstick that washes you out, then a nude lip liner comes in handy. Trust me. And this one right here is the Sugar Cosmetics lip liner in the shade 02 Wooded by Nude, and this is super cheap, I guess 200 rupees something. And this is a beautiful brown pinkish lip liner, and this will complement a lot of different skin tones. It will go with a lot of different lipsticks. It is very pigmented, very creamy, and for the price, I think this lip liner is gorgeous. Next up, I have this lip pencil from Gerard Cosmetics, and trust me, Gerard Cosmetics lip products are the best. And this one is in the shade Sugar and Spice. This color goes with literally every lipstick. You can also use this lip liner all over your lips as a lip color, and it's going to stay there for a really long time. It's very pigmented, it's creamy, and this is definitely a must-have. So the first lipstick right here is the Sugar Cosmetics Nothing Else Matter Longwear Lipstick in the shade 01 Browning Glory. Love this lipstick. This is again very inexpensive, 300 or 400 rupees, and you get 3.5 grams of product, but the texture of this lipstick and how comfortable it is on the lips, it just blows my mind. It gives a beautiful matte finish on the lips. Even if you don't buy any lipstick that I would be mentioning next, that would be totally fine, but literally trust me, get this and you're going to thank me later, because this is next up, I have this lipstick from Pack Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 03 Mauvelicious. The quality seems really nice. It has some weight to it as well, and this retails for 800 or 900 rupees. I'm not really sure. I leave the price on the screen somewhere. Also, the cap is magnetic, which is so nice. So this color actually has more pink to it, and this is how it looks like. It is muted pink color, I'd say. If you are a little darker than my complexion, then I won't recommend this color because it might wash you out. But if you're around my skin tone, like NC42 or maybe lighter than my complexion, then I think you should definitely check this out. Literally a color that you can check out. Next up, I have this lipstick from Spekta Cosmetics, and this is in the shade A-Lister, and this is a proper matte finish lipstick. Just a heads up, it does not glide on creamy at all. It is quite dry, so if you have chapped or dry lips, I wouldn't recommend this color because it takes a lot of effort to make it glide on the lips. But if you have well moisturized, hydrated lips, then you can give this a try. I really like this color, so I just wanted to quickly mention that. Next, I have this Masaba by Nykaa lipstick in the shade Nimbu Paani, and I'll be very honest, this should be my only favorite lip color from the whole collection. I'm being very frank here. It is actually a very pretty color. It has a satin finish. It does not dry out matte. So if you're someone who does not enjoy matte finish lipsticks, or if you have dry lips, then you should definitely give this a try because it is very comfortable on the lips and it has a little bit of shine if you enjoy that look. It has the perfect amount of shine to it, and I think this color will look really pretty on deep skin tone. But if you're darker than my complexion, then I think this color will look amazing on you. Next up, I have these two lipsticks from the Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick Collection, and I have the shade Carp Diem, and this one is in the shade Dream On. The shade Dream On, I have used it in so many of my videos. I really like this shade. I have done a full dedicated video on these lipsticks, so I'll just add an iCard over here, or maybe I'll link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So basically, you need to click these lipsticks and the product will come out. Consistency and the texture of these lipsticks are very liquidy, which makes these lipsticks very comfortable on the lips. They do not dry out your lips whatsoever. You have to layer these up to achieve that opaque finish, but you can use these as a lip tint or a cheek tint as well. You can also apply this a little bit on your eyelids and you should be good to go because these are not highly pigmented lipsticks. I wanted to mention these because I know a lot of people enjoy lip tints, cheek tints, and these are amazing for that. So the shade on top is Dream On, which is more on the pinkier side, and the shade below is called Carp Diem, which is more towards brown. Next, I have this liquid lipstick from NYX. This is the Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. This range from NYX is worldwide famous and it is not very expensive as well. So this color is actually a very pretty muted pink color and it does not really have any hints of brown in it. If you're lighter than my complexion, I would highly recommend you guys to check out this particular shade because it will look beautiful on you. My sister is way lighter than my complexion and this color looks amazing on her. This color does wash me out when I'm tan, but I can always mix another color to make it work. But if you're lighter than my complexion, do check it out. It dries to a beautiful, comfortable matte finish. Next up, I have these two lipsticks from Maybelline. This is their Super Stay Ink Crayon lipstick and I have done a full dedicated video. I swatched all the shades from this range, so I'll just link it down in the description box below. My favorite shades from this collection should be 05 and 20. The shade 05 looks something like this. It is a beautiful dark chocolatey brown color. I think this color will look very pretty on deep skin tone and this settles down to a very nice powdery matte finish. The next shade 20 is my personal favorite. And this is how the shade looks like. On top we have 20 and the bottom one is 05. This color has pink and brown undertone to it, which looks very flattering on my skin tone. And I love how these glide on. They are very pigmented, very comfortable on the lips again. They also come with these inbuilt sharpeners. If you want a sharp tip to outline your lips, you can totally use the sharpener for that. They smell very nice as well, and you know, Maybelline is Maybelline. Next up, I have these two liquid lipsticks from the Loreal Rouge collection, and these are in the shade I Lead and I Explore. I love these colors. The texture of these lipsticks are very liquidy, which makes it very comfortable. I haven't tried anything like these before. The texture and the formula is very unique, very different and very comfortable. The shade I Explore is my favorite. It is a gorgeous nude color, and the next shade I Lead has a little bit of red to it, which I think will look very pretty on Indian and deep skin tone. And I think the shade I Explore will look very pretty on fair to medium skin tone. Next up, I have this liquid lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is their Hydra matte lipsticks in 1995. I haven't actually tried a liquid lipstick this comfortable on the lips. This color is one of their best sellers, and I exactly know why, because this color is universally flattering. I've seen so many people using this color. I don't know how, but this color looks pretty on literally every skin tone. Whenever I'm not able to pair my lips with my crazy eye makeup, this lipstick literally goes with everything. Even if I do a purple eye, a blue eye, a yellow eye, green eye, this color looks great on everything. Lastly, I have this lipstick from MAC. This is their matte lipstick in the shade Taupe 09. This is how the shade looks like. It has brown undertone to it. This is a very classic lipstick like Ruby Woo. If you're a makeup lover, you should have one of these. It is a very classic lipstick that you can never go wrong with. It flatters a lot of different skin tones and undertones, and I just love it. These are my top favorite nude lipsticks. You all let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below, and also let me know if you guys have any video requests. I would love to do that. And yeah, that's for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I have a new video, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, be indoors, eat healthy, have a great immune system, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.